this is not a healthy eating habit. Huh? So, what's a healthy eating habit, Mommy? A healthy eating habit should be complete, including food that contains all nutrients and balance. That is to say, our intake of every nutrient should come in the right amount. Now, let's learn how to make a healthy food. I'm so excited! I'm looking at the recipe. What are we going to make today? Looks like we are going to make chocolate chip banana overnight oats. Wow, this is going to be so yummy and healthy. Seems like we need to use a lot of ingredients. Wow, look at these yummy ingredients. We have half a cup of chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips. Next, we have some bananas. Look at the yellow color. These are good for vitamin C. Do you know what are these called? Yes! These are rolled oats. Then we have some yogurt that's very good for your tummy. Next we have cocoa powder, chia seed, chocolate cereal, and milk. Let's make it now! Firstly, we need to have half a cup of rolled oats. Then pour some milk. Next, sprinkle some cocoa powder and chia seed. Mix them well. Finally, add some chocolate chips. We need to refrigerate overnight. Don't forget, we need to top with some chocolate cereal before we eat tomorrow morning. I can't wait for that. Eating habit, food nutrients, and a healthy food recipe. Hope that you can try that one day. Well, this is the end of this video. Till we meet again, I'm Ayra. How do you spell my name? Ayra. Good job!